Thinking of moving to Atlanta? Here are 9 reasons why you should definitely come here. Hi, my name is Dantika Bost and I'm a realtor in Atlanta. If you were thinking of making the move, here are some reasons why you should definitely consider Atlanta. Jobs, jobs, jobs. Atlanta was recently ranked one of the top 3 places in the country to start your career, and its metro area has more Fortune 500 companies headquartered here than anywhere else except for New York and Houston. We have a diverse economy, salaries that have been increasing faster than the national average, and a strong tech sector. Affordability. Home prices in Atlanta are some of the cheapest in the country, and you get a lot of bang for your buck. That, together with low taxes, makes it very affordable for many families. Atlanta is also known for its community neighborhoods, each with its own cultural, unique feel. So if it's a restored craftsman or a brand new modern farmhouse that you're looking for, we have something for everyone. Great schools. Atlanta is home to some great public schools as well as some excellent private schools. Counties in the metro area such as Gwinnett, Cobb, and Fulton have outstanding nationally ranked schools. Click on the links below for some more information on schools. Weather. All right, even though we are known as Hotlanta, if you're looking to escape snowy winters, Atlanta is the place for you. You can get away with a light jacket for most of the winter, and apart from an occasional ice storm, which has been known to bring our city to a halt, winters in Atlanta are pretty mild. Sports. If you like sports, Atlanta is the city for you. We have everything from football, baseball, basketball, and soccer. So whether you like college football or the Falcons, the Braves or Atlanta United, there is something for everyone. Here's a fun fact. The College Football Hall of Fame is located in Atlanta. So if you're a sports buff looking to move to a city where you can be invested in the local sports, Atlanta just might be the city for you. Music. Atlanta is considered the capital of hip-hop, but if you're not into that, that's okay. We have a vibrant and varied music scene to satisfy the pickiest taste. If you're in the mood for classical music, head to the Woodruff Arts Center to hear the Atlanta Symphony, or if you prefer outdoor concerts, check out Chastain Amphitheater. And let's not forget about all the amazing musical events, fairs, and seasonal celebrations held in the city on a regular basis. Chances are you're not going to get bored if you live in Atlanta. Food. If you are someone like me who loves to eat, Atlanta is the place for you. If you love international food, doing a food crawl on Buford Highway is a must. We also have everything from fine dining to budget-friendly burger places. In fact, you will find a wide variety of chain restaurants that are being challenged by local chefs, opening up their own eateries in all corners of the city. The airport. If you are someone who loves to travel, then Atlanta is the place for you. Our airport, Hartsfield-Jackson, is the world's busiest airport, and Delta Airlines is headquartered here. It is also a gateway to the world, so if you want to take that occasional getaway, Atlanta just might be the place for you. Greenery and green spaces everywhere. Atlanta is known as the city in the forest because of the number of trees that you will find when you come here. Everywhere you go, there are dogwoods and magnolias and magnificent oaks. Chastain, Piedmont, and Freedom Parks are some of the largest green spaces, and they have community playgrounds, walking and biking trails, dog parks, and even areas to fish. So if you're an outdoor kind of person, come on down to Atlanta. You will just love it here. Well, there you go. Those are some of our top reasons for moving to Atlanta. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below, and I'll answer them personally, or click on the blog post where I have tons of information and links to various resources. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.